6 statements of witnesses who are crucial to this case for protection, my lord. Yes, of these 6 witnesses. And my lord, these 6 witnesses have been referred to ably by my land senior colleague as witness A, B, C, D, E.
Meaning the 6 witnesses you are saying that the ones
he's referring to, my lord. These are the statements that we served them yesterday, the 11th. And
these are the 6 witnesses witness statements
without the particulars, without their names, my lord. My lord, save for the names of these witnesses, the rest of the body of the statements, save for the particulars of the witnesses, that is the names and their places of residence and how old they are, place of residence, their age and occupation. The statements are complete. And my lord, it is the reason why the prosecution filed miscellaneous application 101 of 2026 inter partes for protection of these witnesses, my lord. My lord, these witnesses are crucial witnesses to this case. Much obliged, my lord.
Why didn't comply as Passa, and why you didn't serve this, why you served the witness statements of these 6 witnesses
Out of time.
without the particulars?
Without particulars, my lord.
Yes. The law says we are equal, and therefore we should have equality of arms. When one party is able to get fixing at supersonic speed, I am referring to it as supersonic speed because we have previously had very important applications of bail, which is liberty. None of them has ever been fixed or had at supersonic speed.
So it is a crime for this court to fix matters.
We are not saying what is the idea.
It is a crime for this court to fix matters.
No, but I'm saying the court ought to be conscious what impression it is given that one party.
Council Master will not dictate how this court should fix matters.
I'm only submitting the ruling that we Yes, we are just saying that the appearances as of now, because of that supersonic speed of fixing, the appearances to any ordinary person is that the court is giving preferential treatment to the prosecution in
What is
matters
your
of
opinion?
fixing,
Let me know about the reply.
and while not treating the defense the same way, even where it contains one of the most fundamental rights of liberty.
Let me know now.
We did not receive anything from the state bank because of this matter. Then, about 3 days later, from that, they purported to serve on us what is described as volume 2 of their evidence, of the intended evidence. And according to the rules of my law, we discovered that there are lots of missing documents which have been mentioned in that volume 2. And then yesterday, the 11th of March, at around 6:30 p.m. It was actually by the grace of the Lord that our office was still open. So the people who were closing the office were shocked to see documents. Indicating that they were serving some statements of witnesses. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
They served you with witnesses of 1 to 6.
6 witnesses.
They
purported to serve statements of 6 intended witnesses. That was around 65. And again, from their index here, they indicated witness A, witness B, witness C, D, E, F. Again, upon perusal, the statement for witness A was missing. And there was no explanation as to why this statement was missed for witness A. And to make matters worse, my lord, there are no names of witnesses, no particulars. 6. Yes, of these 6, they are just A, B, C, D, E, F. And I don't think those are their names. That there is a person called A, another called B, C up to F. That would be weird. And the purported statements also don't have those particulars. Statement of blank. They say just male adult, say for example, male adult of 55 years. You don't know who that person is, where they reside, what they do. So there are no particulars of those witnesses. Like a name, it's no name, address, occupation. All there is just age. And this is uniform. All you see there, age 36, 55, and so on and so forth. So all of this is not disclosed. They are trying to circumvent the law, which is very, very key. When we talk about full disclosure, they ought to avail us with all the particulars of the witnesses they didn't take to produce before. And the kind of evidence they are going to abuse against the accused person. My Lord, what orders are you doing?